Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix DPI settings not applying on G305 X SUPERLIGHT mouse. So if your DPI settings do not get saved to your onboard memory, what you can do is, of course, start by opening the G-Hub application, go to your mouse. Now, first of all, make sure that you are trying to save the correct profile. Go to your mouse, settings, onboard mode, enable it normally, and try to import this profile to your selected slot. Like this, and make sure that you have selected the correct one. And if this profile isn't synchronizing your settings, you can try to restore default profile for it and then re-import the profile. And if this won't work for you, then just try importing your settings to a different slot, memory slot. So use slot 2 or slot 3 to import this profile. And after that, after switching to this profile, your DPI settings will start working properly again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.